Sometimes professional drillers can be mistaken for rock climbers. Do you know how this man is able to cut off a dozen pieces at once? Tell me in the comments. Check out how they make a stone wall without using stones. Watch this quick method for unloading boxes off a truck. Like a single organism, these workers are peeling cabbage at incredible speed. And here's what a low processing looks like. A new pipeline method allows these craftsmen to lay an entire pipeline in just a few days. Here's the same technology but on a smaller scale. This isn't a worker, but an artist. The way he skillfully cuts up this huge fish is fascinating. He is a real magician. He turns a piece of dough into a portion of noodles. It is so relaxing, isn't it? This worker knows how to quickly and skillfully paint dishes. This craftsman is creating a masterpiece. Or if you're not good at art, use this trick. When you ask this bartender for ice be paired to receive a whole diamond. Have you ever seen a master level don't worker? Now you have. But to perfect the delicate art of working with hot glass, you have to be on God level. Donut making is a calling that comes from the soul. And I think I'm starting to hear that call. This team's level of synchronization is really amazing. While he is plastering the windowsill, we can watch to soothe our mood. And now, This builder is going to share the skill of creating anti-slip edges for your stairs. Incorporating a hoverboard helps him speed up the work process. It's about to get hot in here because this is stainless steel being treated. Stability and teamwork at a slow pace are key to moving heavy materials. A well-trained excavator operator can move it on any terrain. These workers apply a unique way of shoveling rocks into buckets. Building a pool has a lot of satisfying stages, and here's an example. The excavator easily fixes the concrete column under the worker's perfect control. Check out how accurately a giant sequoia is cut down. The coordinated teamwork of these professional firefighters is going to save dozens of lives. I'm always so shocked at the complex shapes pro glass blowers can make. Just look how this worker brilliantly uses a ladder to remove air bubbles from concrete. The speed of applying the solution is simply unimaginable. How do you like this perfectly designed long-lasting staircase? Now check out this super fast build. This guy doesn't need a printer, because his skills are so much better. Here's how concrete piles are made before someone's new house is put on them. Paint the whole field the day before a game. No problem for this dude. And now you're about to see a steel pipe become wooden. No machine can assemble boxes faster than this woman. Such an unusual foundation requires a lot of effort, but these craftsmen laid it out like a piece of paper. If you're planning on taking the door down to paint, try this hack. The wall is given a whole new look when a painting master starts to work. Perhaps even Newton has to give in to this builder's skill. Let's guess how much weight he is carrying. With this pole, finishing the road surface is only a matter of time. Using a wooden stick and a knife, you can cut the plasterboard into round shapes perfectly. Your drain will no longer be monotonous if you hire this guy. The 12mm thick glass is preserved intact, thanks to the coordination of this team. A small piece of wood and a hammer are all it takes to remove the wooden stakes. These nimble hands won't miss a tile. Not only dexterity but also courage is needed when working in such a high place. The way this guy uses bags makes transporting bricks easier.